Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into Equitable Life account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in www.equitable.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in the official site, go and click on the sign in link at the top right. In the login area, type in your username in the first text box and on the next field, type in your password. If you don't remember your user ID or your password, click on the Forgot User ID or Password link beneath the sign in button and follow through the on-screen prompts to reset to a new password or to look for your user ID. If you don't have an account yet for Equitable Life, go and click on this Register Now link and follow the instructions. After you are done typing in your user ID and password, click the sign in button and you'll be able to log into your Equitable Life account. Equitable Life is an American financial services and insurance company that helps you plan your financial future. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.